What else is there to do on a cold night in Michigan besides make lasagna soup? So here I laid out most of my ingredients. I have red crushed peppers, some thyme, some diced tomatoes, salt, garlic powder, Mrs. Dash seasoning salt. I also have marinara sauce, but I did not use that. I made my own. I started a pot of boiling water, put some oil in it, got the lasagna, and I start breaking them into small pieces as they boiled in the water. I started getting together the hamburger meat and the Italian sausage. I sauteed some yellow onions with garlic, and then I cooked and seasoned the two items, the Italian sausage and the hamburger, together. And I let the lasagna pieces boil, but not till they were cooked. I stopped a minute short of them being cooked in full because I wanted to keep them a little hard, so when I mixed everything together, they would soften up. And then I rinsed the lasagna pieces in cold water, finished up my mixture of hamburger and Italian meat, and then I opened up the diced tomatoes with the juice, the tomato paste. I also added in the chicken broth with some water. I let that cook for about 30 minutes, and when that was complete, I added my hamburger mixture with the Italian sausage in with the tomato sauce, and there you have it. I did not make ricotta because it's not my favorite, but you can add your ricotta mixture. I just put cheese on top, and tonight it was a 10 out of 10.